In this program, we would like to find all of these statements that have only the no's. So one approach to solve this problem is just to enumerate all of the valid test cases, which are here the no and no and no and no. All of these are valid. Or the reverse of that, the on. Observe that given that we have two letters, so we have like maximum four ways per an order here. So we tried the for no and for on, and that's all. Line number 10. Oh yeah, there is something here I would like to teach you. Let's say that you're writing a condition and would like to go one line below. You can write here, if you try to split it this way, there will be a complaint. The way to handle that is to put a slash here. This means that the next line is still part of the current statement. In the future, you will learn about something called dot lower, and you will learn what is a method. When you write str.lower this way, this will convert all of the characters to small letters. And if the string now is just small letters, then you need only to do two checks, either no or on. Back to here, we mainly needed to handle all of the different cases of lower letter and upper letter. But in the future, we will learn how to convert a whole string to just small lower cases. Then the code become very simple. You don't need to understand this code at the moment. In the third problem here, in the second problem here, we would like to reverse an integer and print the integer multiplied by 3. So we learned it using the modulus 10 integer division by 10. We can get the digits one by one. So if we have here a while loop over n, and in every step we get the last digit and then we remove the last digit. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, in the first step we will have the last digit as 4, and then we'll have 3, then we'll have 2, then we'll have 1.